Hey, in this video we are going to learn how to download Bybit application on your iOS device. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, tap and open App Store on your device. On the search bar, type in Bybit and click on search button. Now you will see an icon like this. Simply tap on it and click on Get button. Your download may take some time depending on your internet speed. After the download is completed, installation will be automatically started. Now click on Open button. So that is how you can download Bybit application on your iOS device. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.